Okay, so get your pin, you lock it in, go underneath, and pin it. Then you've got your nuts and bolts. Make sure you keep your hydraulic hoses on top because you're going to need them for the backhoe attachment.
So what's this part called?
It's my trailer hitch.
Trailer hitch.
Yeah.
Okay. So you took off the arms and put on the trailer hitch.
And all the hitch does, it just keeps these from moving.
Okay.
Once you get it locked in. And then once I get back on and turn my tractor on, I'll raise these all the way up. Because the backhoe attachment is going to sit right here and right here.
And right where?
Down here is where it's going to go in, but the pins will be right here.
Okay. All right.
And
we're done.
What I use to tighten them up is just a pair of channel locks on the nut.
That got left out in the rain.
This one's for the grill.
Yeah.
Put it on the nut, and this is a 24mm socket. It doesn't have to be really torqued down because it's not holding anything vital.
I'm going to stop now.
And now we're going to attach the backhoe attachment. This is a little more precise than dumping off the bush hog because you got to get 2 hooks in and you got to get these holes here lined up with this part right here. So first thing you want to do is you want to back up close to it. Now when I unhook my backhoe, I go ahead and drop my downriggers and I raise up the bucket so that the whole unit sits on the ground. The reason I do that is I know that there's not putting any pressure on the hydraulic lines when it's sitting on the ground. So that's why I do it.
Okay.
So first thing we do is take this one loose, and it's going to leak a little bit, but don't worry about it.
So what are you doing?
Hooking up the hydraulic lines to the backhoe itself.
Are there 2 of them?
Yes, there's 2 of them.
Okay.
Pull it back, lock it in. Same thing here. Lock it in. And you can just let these hang for a second because we're not backing up on it just yet. I got to start the tractor back up. Okay, you come back over here. Do your outriggers first. Go very slow. You want to raise it up to where it's just about level.
And that's those things right there. Those are outriggers?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, they're called stabilizers.
Stabilizers?
Stabilizers.
All right,
but
all right.
I call them outriggers or downriggers, whatever you want to call them.
Okay. So what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get it level, or as close to level as I can with these 2, so that when I back in, I'll back the hooks in.
What hooks?
I'll back these knobs right here in, right below the hooks.
Oh, okay. So this part right here is going to sit on
Right here.
that part right there.
Right.
Okay.
Well, let me raise these up too.
Trying to get everything lined up. These two are button heads right here.
Yeah.
So now you're trying to move this part with that to match that part going in there. And you can do that because the hydraulics are attached.
I've got it locked in. Now you've got to adjust it a little bit to be able to get the pins into here and here. So what you do is you slide the pin in and adjust it. See how easy it slides in? Okay, so what you did with that side, see how easy it goes in? I gotta get another pin. So I got a defective pin, so I gotta go in and find one of my spare pins, but that's the gist of it. That's how you attach the backhoe attachment to the Branson 2505H series tractor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, and like we always do, we like to leave you with a Bible verse from the good word to ponder on, think on, maybe you can help in your daily life. 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse number 15. Study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman who needeth not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. God bless you, YouTube.
Thank you. What? What do you want? Yeah?